Still struggling to speak English fluently, even after learning grammar for years? What if I told you there's a simple 10-minute-a-day technique that could change the game forever? Most learners face the same issue. You understand English but can't speak fluently. You know words, but your mind freezes when you talk. You lack confidence because you don't sound natural. If this sounds like you, you're not alone. And don't worry, there's a powerful technique that's helped thousands, and it might just work for you too. It's called the shadowing technique. Simple idea. You listen and speak at the same time. Like a shadow copying every move. You find a native English audio, maybe a YouTube video, a podcast, or a movie scene, and you repeat what the speaker says immediately, mimicking their tone, rhythm, and pronunciation. It sounds strange at first, but your brain starts picking up the natural flow of English like magic. This technique helps in 3 big ways. It improves pronunciation naturally, it trains your mouth and mind to work together, and most importantly, it builds confidence to speak without translating. You start sounding like a native without even memorizing anything. Let me give you a simple 5-step plan you can start today. Pick a short video.audio clip, 1 to 3 minutes. Choose something interesting like daily conversations or scenes from TV shows. Listen once, carefully, understand the meaning. Play the clip again, and this time, repeat with the speaker. Don't pause, just try to copy their speed and tone. Do it 2 to 3 times. You'll get better each time. Record yourself occasionally to check your progress. Just 10 minutes a day can transform your fluency over time. You don't need expensive courses or perfect grammar to speak English fluently. You need practice that mirrors real conversation. And that's exactly what shadowing gives you. Try it for 1 week, and I promise you'll start noticing a difference. If you found this useful, hit the like button and share it with someone who's trying to improve their English too. And if you want me to create shadowing videos you can practice with, comment below Shadow Squad and I'll make it happen.